It's a 2008 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. Features include Magic Seat third row seat, front heated leather bucket seats, AM/FM/XM satellite radio, auto dimming rear view mirror, entertainment system with DVD, key fob activated rear windows, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive highlights its improved car-like ride and handling, a more powerful and fuel-efficient 255 horsepower V6 engine, and a clever seating system that can accommodate up to 8 passengers. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.